Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Jihanur Fauzia from Class C 2017. I will explain the lesson plan and simulate learning activity for intermediate English for elementary school teacher. In the lesson plan, there have an identity. The identity are education unit at Cikasia 4 Elementary School. Next, this lesson plan for 3rd grade, semester 2. The themes is math and calculating. Sub-themes is multiplication. For learning 3, the method is TPR, and I use time allocation in 90 minutes. In this lesson plan, they have a purpose, learning activity, and assessment. First, purpose. By watching the video, students meaning how to multiply the number. By using the card, students are interested in multiplication lesson. And last, by given a game, find numbers, students can train the speed in counting and practice the vocabulary of numbers in multiplication. Next, learning activities. In the learning activities, they divided it to previous activities, essences activities, and closing activities. In the previous activities, first, teacher give greetings. Next, class following by prayer led by one of his students. Next, teacher checking the presence of learners. Next, singing a song Indonesia Raya. Next, physically and psychologically prepare learners to start learning activities. And last, the teacher asks students who know the meaning of multiplication. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, students. How are you today? I'm fine too. Okay, before we study, let's pray. Who wants to lead? Okay, Dito, come. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, we will to sing a song, Indonesia Raya. Who wants to lead again? Okay, come from. Okay, I will checking present all of you. Alfia Nur Aulia, present. Indah Amalia, Rahmi Fadilah, Tri Widya Astuti. Okay, complete. I wanna ask all of you who knows what the meanings of multiplication. Anyone knows? Okay. What's this? Okay, good. Good, Sitki. Okay, good job. Next, who knows what we can use multiply to counting the numbers? Okay. After previous activities, we have essences activities. In the essences activities, first, tell the students you are going to listen song to help them meaning multiplication with times table. Next, Play the video multiplication song for kids or timetable song for kids, and repeat the video if needed. After that, the teacher divides the group. The group consists of 4 after 5 people. Next, the students are discussion in the group to doing worksheet. And this is the worksheet. In the worksheet step, students define into group consists of 4 after 5 students. Next, each group will given card and must arrange multiplication correctly. After that, discuss to work together. And the last, one of the group members present the result of his discussion in front of the class. Okay, next. One of the group members present the result of his discussion in front of the class. Next, the students divided to 2 groups. The students are playing game Find Number. Next, the students are doing the test. And last, after that all, students and teacher correctly the test together. For doing the test, students are counting the numbers and write the sentence. For example, 6 multiplied 3 is 18. Students are right, 6 multiplied 3 is 18. Okay, I want to play the video. The video is how to multiply the number with times table. Okay? Happy watching!
I am the multiplication table. Remember me because you're able. We'll learn to multiply 1 through 10 up to 100 because you can. Let's start by learning how the times table works, because learning to multiply is one of life's firsts. You see that vertical line is numbered 1 through 10, and the horizontal line is numbered the same again. All the numbers on the inside we will cover next. They're the answers to the equations you will see in text. For example, if you look at the number 2 and you want to multiply it by 7, here's what you'll do. Let's use the 2 from the vertical side and multiply it with the 7 on the horizontal guide. Run a line from the 2 if you know what I mean, and a line from the 7 down to see where they meet. Where the 2 lines collide will be the answer you seek. 2 times 7 equals 14. This equation is complete. You can also use the horizontal number 2 and the vertical 7 to achieve the same result as true. Now let's try to multiply 5 times 5. Where the 2 lines meet, the answer is 25. Another example is multiplying 9 times 6. The 2 lines meet at 54 where your eyes are transfixed. Here's one more equation, it's 8 times 4. The answer is 32. After this chorus there is more. I am the multiplication table. Remember me because you're able. We'll learn to multiply 1 through 10 up to 100 because you can.
Okay, anybody want to ask about multiplication? No? You can counting number with multiplication? Okay, I I want to define it, all of you, to the group. In the group consists of 4 until 5 people, right? Okay, I want to give the groups the worksheet. And the card. All of the group can get this worksheet and this card. Okay? Okay, the rules for doing the worksheets are: you can pass the card into the worksheet until you multiply it correctly. For example, 3 multiplied 7 is 21. Okay? Okay, finish. After finish, one of the group's members present the result of discussion, right? Okay. And then when one of the group's members present, all of you following the words and vocabulary. Okay? 3 multiplied 2 is 6. Number 2, 6 multiplied 7 is 42. Number 3, 5 multiplied 10 is 50. Number 4, 3 multiplied 9 is 27. The last, 4 multiplied 7 is 28. Okay, this is right. Okay, let's clap your hand for Dito present. Okay, next, who wants to play game? Order? Okay, I will define it, all of you, to 2 groups. Group A and Group B, right? Okay, I will give the groups the card. Okay, I will give you, and I give you. Okay, I will to tell you about the rules of the games. Okay, the rules are: I will take the card of numbers and I take in the whiteboard. For example, 2 multiplied 1. The answer is 2, right? You search the card of the answer, and then, okay, if you get the card of the answer, card of number or of answer, you will raise your hand and raise your card, right? And then I will take the card and I stick in the whiteboard, alright? Okay, do you understand? Yes. Okay. The games makes you happy or not? Happy? Okay. Okay, next, I will give you some tests. Okay? You will counting the number to multiply. Okay, if you have to finish for your test, you will give me your result test. Understand? Okay. Have you finished your test? Finish? Okay, I will check your test. Okay. And the last for learning activities are closing activities. And the closing activities, first, at the end of the lesson, pull together students to review what is multiplication. Next, giving awards to groups that receive the highest score in the game and doing the task given on the worksheet to get 1 star. The last, class activities end with a prayer in accordance with their respective religions and beliefs led by one of the students. After learning activities, we have assessment. First, attitude assessment are observation during learning. Next, knowledge assessment are correctly write the multiplication to the content of the test. And last, assessment skills. The rubric sing in the term of the accuracy of pronunciation when follow the game and follow the test. And finish. Okay, before we finish the study for today, I will review the multiply when we have to learning today, right? Okay, I will ask what the answer of 3 multiplied 4. The answer is 12, right? Okay, before we finish the class, we will to pray, okay? Who wants to lead the prayer? Okay, gitu. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.